thorough inquiry. Number one, there is no misappropriation of money. There is no misappropriation. The 85 crore which came from the Ambedkar Development Corporation was towards the scheme and also day-to-day expenditure. And every rupee we have accounted for. Now, so far as the petitioners are concerned, there are two aspects. The government has imposed a condition that I have to get an undertaking from each one of the petitioners on some sort of an unreasonable ground that the petitioners will not approach the court for additional amount. That, my lord, I leave it to your lordship. Because of that undertaking, since the petitioners, they refuse to give the undertaking. If they give that undertaking, or if your lordship stay that undertaking, immediately.
How can you take an undertaking that they will not approach the court?
That the government has, if your lordship stay that undertaking, then we have sufficient funds to give 2 lakhs to each one of the.
Where is the undertaking?
That your lordship get the undertaking at page number 200 and. This kindly see this document.
340.
In that, my lord. Please see, my lord, page 50, affidavit separate agire, page 51 may kindly be. This is the government order dated 30th of December 2024. Your lordship date? Page 51, paragraph 5. ಸದರಿ 304 ಫಲಾಪೇಕ್ಷಿಗಳಿಗೆ 2 ಲಕ್ಷಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಮುನ್ನ ಅವರುಗಳು 2 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಈ ನಿಗಮದಿಂದ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ಅನುದಾನ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಾಲ ಮತ್ತು ಸಹಾಯಧನ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ಅವರುಗಳಿಂದ ಮುಚ್ಚಳಿಕೆ ಪತ್ರ ಬರೆಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು. Then this is reflected in again number 2 and 3. Now this is the order passed by the government. Now because of this I have not released the amount. The amount we have sufficient funds to give.
How can you ask this undertaking?
No, what happened was initially, the number of, I have made the submission before also. The number of applications that came up before the board were much higher than what they were expected and their records, what records they had. So then they reduced the amount and they said everybody should get some benefit. And there they have not said that they will not go to the court or whatever.
Court dalla, they shall not claim ante iradu.
Claim alla, undertaking kodtare that they will not claim additional more amount.
Under the statute, whatever they are entitled to, they will claim.
Yes,
you can't say you can't curtail the right under the statute.
Yes, my lord. We cannot curtail. It's not right. Even I agree on that.
Ali subsequent paragraph 2 allonde ide nodi. Next onde on.
Pending this, my lord, I will get the instructions. If they are willing, the petitioners can let them take 2 lakh rupees as of now, my lord, by virtue of an order.
Iga Vaibhav and Jeevan Kumar, iga tagoli. Subject to further orders, we will do it.
Let them not insist on this undertaking.
That I will say.
That we will.
That's what senior counsel says.
There are 3 undertakings. One is paragraph 5. Just second one is, my lord, subsequently para 2, that they will not go to court.
Oh, ಮಾನ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ದಾವೆ ಹೂಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ.
This I do not know whether they do it.
Yes, sir.
In fact, lords may kindly stay. Your lords may kindly stay. Paragraph 5. Then 2 and 3. Then we'll release the amount immediately.
The learned
to those persons who come under 93 schemes, not beyond that, because
there are
that
2 issues.
Let me make my submissions, Mr. Jeevan. Please permit me.
No, he is making something in your favor. Wait.
Lord, I am making something. Lord, we have burned our midnight oil. We have prepared everything petitioner wise. We sat together and we saw that not a single rupee is wasted, or every rupee is accounted for. Now what has happened is this: within a span of 24 days, 93 orders were passed by one Mr. Nagarajappa, who is now stuck in the other.
That
I don't know. Blood, my friend wants to argue the matter. Let it
Don't
after
get touchy
vacation.
about
After
it,
vacation.
Sir.
After vacation. After vacation. This is the tendency. Blood,
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
many people are acting as middlemen. I do not want to use the words. If I open my mouth, my lord, the entire petition will be heard after vacation, where your lordship will order a detailed inquiry who are all involved in sponsoring the litigation. I do not want to use that word. Therefore, please give me 10 seconds. That's all I'm asking. Now, this great Nagarajappa, he passed about 93 orders within a span of 24 days, identifying about 2,700 beneficiaries only in the district of Kolar. Fortunately, government has approved it. All 93. All 93 are identified by us. About 34 crores we have paid already, except those petitioners where the undertaking is not given. We will give that. But beyond 93, the government has not approved. That is challenged in the separate writ petition, where the exclusion of the so-called beneficiaries beyond 93 is challenged. That has to be heard.
ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಈಗ 93 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರೋರ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Yes, yes.
93 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋರ್ಗೆ will consider
Yes,
it later.
We'll
That's all
consider
right?
it after vacation.
Yes.
That's all.
That is
Oh,
what.
but
Can
what,
you lordship
what where
kindly
is he
stay?
saying against you?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ನಾಗರಾಜಪ್ಪ ನಾಗರಾಜ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, name-
Why, this is the problem. Why is he holding the brief for Mr. Nagarajappa? Not
Holding
jumping
brief for
on the
Sabai
bandwagon and throwing the
Karmacharis.
trumpet. Why?
CID enquiry.
Why?
ಜೀವನ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರೇ, ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಗರಾಜಪ್ಪಂಗ ಅಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, CID enquiry ಆಗಿ
ಅವ್ರು
ಅದು
ಇವಾಗ
ಯಾವ್ದು
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
fake
ಕೃಷ್ಣನ
orders ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ
ಜನ್ಮಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ
ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ. So this is the
ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ತಾನೇ ಇರೋದು?
ಅವ್ರ ED ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ Bove, except Bove, there's no allegation of misappropriation against him. He has also put in
he should
27
not say
years.
this. But please
It's all right, leave it. Now we are dealing with Safai Karmachari.
Learned Senior Council mentioned that there is no misappropriation. Even here, even Nagarajappa, what had happened was the amount that was fixed was without approval of the government. That's the only
And
allegation.
he fixed 10 lakhs for 293.
ಈಗ ನಾವು
117 crores ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
now
ಅಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ
you
ನಮ್ಮ
will
ಹತ್ರ.
you will release ಎಷ್ಟು amount?
2 lakhs.
2 lakhs.
Actually, it is government order says 1 lakh. Will any additional amount is also
All right,
2 lakhs.
subject to further orders. will-
Provided your lordship stay, the condition.
That I
number-
will do,
Yes,
that I will
that's
do,
all.
yes. The learned senior counsel, S. Basavaraj, appearing for the board, would submit that 93 beneficiaries were identified.
Sanction orders.
Sanction orders.
93 sanction orders.
ಅಲ್ಲ, 93, ಅಲ್ಲ, benefits to 93 persons was sanctioned by this.
93 sanction order out.
There are 40, 13, one sanction orders.
The
Beneficiaries
93
of the
sanction order ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
Can your lordship take page 9, my lord? Page 9 of the, this one. Annexure senior left hand side.
ಹಾ.
Total sanction orders within a span of 24 days, 93. The total beneficiaries are
This 93.
2,711.
So I will quote this 93.
Yes. 93
Yes,
sanction
certainly,
orders.
The learned senior counsel, S. Basavaraj.
Only one, I'll complete one. If you go by 10 lakh, it comes to 117 crore. Therefore, we have reduced subsequently, right hand side.
ಈಗ 2 lakhs ಕೊಡಿ.
Yes, yes, yes.
ಆಮೇಲಿಂದ ನಾನು ಅದ್
Yes,
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
yes.
Yes, the learned senior counsel S. Basavaraj submits that the 93 sanctioned orders would be fulfilled in its entirety by payment of 2 lakhs. The only impediment that
Total 2 lakhs.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
Some of them have received 1
2
lakh.
ಅಲ್ಲ, of 2 lakhs. The only impediment according to the learned senior counsel is clauses 5 and 2, ಎರಡು ಕಾವ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ
Repeat
ಎರಡಿದೆ.
ಆಗಿದೆ.
5, page 51. The aforesaid clauses are unconscionable in the considered view of the court as they are opposed to public policy on the face of it. As the direction is, as the condition, the undertaking that is sought from the hands of the petitioners, the Safai Karmacharis, is that they would not knock at the doors of any fora, nor claim beyond 2 lakhs, notwithstanding the fact of the hope of getting more under the statute. In that light, both these clauses shall remain of government order dated 30/12/2024 shall remain stayed. Thus the impediment that is projected would no longer be in subsistence, albeit prima facie. In the light of the submission of the learned senior counsel S. Basavaraj, the petitioners in all these cases who form a part of the 93 sanctions shall be entitled to 2 lakhs each, which shall be paid by the board within.
If benefit of this 2 lakhs can also be inured to the other persons who are not there. 93 sanction when ಇವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅದು beyond ಇವ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
We cannot give, we will not give. We will beyond 93, we will not give. Because the government has approved.
ಆಯ್ತು,
only
we'll see,
93.
we'll consider about that later. First you take this.
That is subject to result of the
Yes,
repetition.
so and so.
Total 1 lakh, total 2 lakh.
ಅದು
ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ
ಎಷ್ಟು ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
within 1 month.
Within the next 4 weeks.
May
The
make
submission,
one submission. The entire amount is paid under the loan scheme.
correct,
They should
ಸಾಲ
realize
ತಾನೆ,
that it's
ಸಾಲ
a
ಅಂತಾನೆ
loan,
ಕೊಡ್ತಾ
it's a
ಇರೋದು.
repayable loan. They should also keep that
No,
in.
no, they are taking it. Yes,
Yes, yes, certainly.
the amount of 2 lakhs as directed shall be paid to the 93 sanctioned persons
Sanctioned
with
orders.
sanctioned
Orders.
93 sanctioned orders by the 2nd of June 2025. place the matter on 6th of June. for the-
Within 45 days.
One point, my lord.
ಈಗ 4 weeks ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೀಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಂದ್ರಿ ಈಗ ಹೋಗಿ.
May make one subject.
refresh rejected.
Government order stayed andre. Condition is that government.
ಅದೇ
order stayed.
conditions, the aforesaid conditions
Condition
in
number
the government
5
order
and
shall
2
remain
and-
state ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Now don't obfuscate the problem.
My lords, one point, they're also insisting that we withdraw writ petitions before this court.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ.
That,
ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು
ಅದೇ
stay ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಬರ್ದಿದಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
But I am glad Mr. Vaibhav appearing pro bono for all these matters. But for his fight, my lord, we would not
Yes,
have.
yes.
I'm grateful for the senior counsel for resolving this matter the earliest, my lords.
Prima facie resolution full ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹತ್ತು ಹೋಯ್ತು. Yes,
Grateful, my lords, highly obliged, my lords.
yes, yes. Next. We'll take it on 6th.
Yes,
my lord.
By then,
Grateful, my lords.
give it, yes.
Yes.
Wait, sir.
Number 2.
You finish your coffee and come. Yes. Tonight, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಭೂಷಣ್ಣ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ. No, originator is Madras, sorry, Maharashtra police. All right.
174 roads.
Next matter.
ಏನು next matter?
174 roads.
Next matter.
Posted at 2.
170.
That police.
Shootout matter.
ಅದ police possession
Shootout
ಕೊಡ್ಸಿದ್-
ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ police possession ಕೊಡ್ಸಿದ್ matter.
174.
Your lordship
170.
that we had produced the
Affidavit ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು.
clippings and